guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will tour Milan Central Station. In Italian it's known as Milano Centrale. It is one of the largest train station in Italy and one of the famous train station in Europe as well. So it have several entrances, but we have entered through the main square. In today's video we will have a brief walking tour towards the platforms, and we will go through the shopping area. It is a massive train station. We have several amenities here. That train station have a brief history. It was built back in 1864, so it's about 160 years old now. But with that artwork, you cannot find that art in modern stations. It have a really brief history. So let's walk with me, and we will have a brief look towards the waiting area, and we'll walk through the platforms as well. That train station was built back in 1864. That's almost 160 years old now. You will never find artwork like that in modern train stations. That train station is also central hub for Europe connections. You can get trains from here to Austria, Germany, Switzerland, France. You can travel in quite a luxurious way. These trains are modern and high-speed trains as well. And security-wise, that train station is also really safe. You will see security all around, but you need to be a bit careful about pickpockets here. Otherwise, it's quite safe train station. Now I will walk towards the platforms, so keep connected. You can watch your departures just here. There are screens on both sides in the waiting area. If you go inside toward the platform, you can see the side screen there as well for departures and arrivals. If you're traveling for Milano airport, Milan Malpensa airport, then you need to go towards the platform 1. That is, when you enter on the platform, you just go towards the left. So that will be the very first platform on the left. If you just have arrived on Milan Central Station and you want to take metro, you can those tours stay around Milano Dome. So you have to go to underground. You can follow the sign for metro. Metro is underground. You can take a brief guide while traveling for metro because it is a bit complicated for new travelers. There are quite good bus connections as well for the city. If you want to go another parts of the city, then you can take bus as well. If you want to go to Milano Bergamo, you can take train or bus. You have both options. Or if you are traveling to Milano Bergamo at Oriol Serio Airport, then the best option is you can take bus from outside. That will take you to the airport. I think it will take around 45 to 50 minutes. I hope you have enjoyed the video and you have a bit guide from me as well. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you. Bye.